Hello guys, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will describe the basic overview of Android application. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software and designed primarily for touch-screen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets. And Android apps is a software application running on the Android platform because the Android platform is built for mobile device. Typical Android app is designed for a smartphone or a tablet PC running on the Android OS. What is the marketplace of Android? Android main marketplace is Google Play Store. Google Play Store is a Google official free installed app store Android certified devices. It serves as the official app store for the Android operating system, allowing user to browse and download. And as the link of Google Play Store, play.google.com/store. Android apps alternative marketplace. There are so many alternative marketplace of Android. Aptoid, APK Mirror, Amazon App Store, GetJar, SlideMe, AppBrain, AppDroid, Mobozini, etc. What is the Android version and API level? So now we will see the Android version and API level history. Now currently latest version of Android 8.1, the version name Oreo, API level 27. It released December 2017. And earlier version Android 8.0 Oreo, API level 26, and it released August 2017. And that earlier Android 7.1 Nougat API level 25, and the earlier version is 7.0, 6.0 is Nougat, Marshmallow, Lollipop, Kit Kat, Jelly Bean, ice cream, sandwich. There are so many versions. It start from the Android 1.0 base. The first API level, first Android release October 2008, and API level and current API level ongoing is API level 27. It released 2017. What is the basic need of Android app development? Actually, you'll know the Java, XML, Android SDK, Android Studio, APIs, database, material design, etc. Android app development, operating system configuration. Three type of operating system run Android: Android OS, Windows OS, Mac OS, and Linux OS. Windows operating system, the main requirement: Windows 7, 8, 10, 32-bit or 64-bit, 2 GB RAM minimum and 8 GB recommended, 2 GB of available disk escape and 4 GB recommended, minimum screen resolution 1280 into by 800 and JDK8, and accelerated emulator 64-bit operating system, Intel processor, support for Intel BT technology. And Mac OS requirement: Mac OS 10.0 is 5 or higher, up to 10.11 is EI Capitans. 2 GB RAM minimum, 8 GB recommended, 2 GB available space, 4 GB recommended, and screen resolution, minimum screen resolution 1280 by 800, and minimum JDK 6. Linux OS requirement: Genome of KD desktop tested on Ubuntu 12.04, 64-bit distributed capable of running 32-bit application, genuine C library, 2 GB minimum RAM, 8 GB recommended, 2 GB available DCC space, minimum 4 GB recommended, screen size minimum 1280 and by 800, JDK 8 JDK 8. What is the requirement of Android installation? OS, it will be Windows or Linux or Mac, and Android Studio. This is the Android ID, Android editor, and another was Android SDK, software development kit, and a neat JDK, Java development kit. This is the basic requirement of Android installation. Thank you so much.